Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. So I'm in my bedroom here and I was watching Shark Tank, right? And I decided to do a video basically to do a training. So I'm gonna do this training here, and it's basically how to copy and paste ads, okay? To make $100 to $500 per day. And I'm gonna do this step-by-step training here. I'm not gonna charge you any money. And the reason why you wanna listen to this is because I tried this like a month ago because I wanna see if it really worked. So I didn't think it was going to work at first. So I said, you know what? Let me try it out for myself. So what I wanna do is I wanna log into my Stripe account because I'm gonna be very transparent with you. Yes, I'm here, but I'm kind of dark skinned, so you can't see me in the darkness of my room here. But what I want you to look closely here, pay attention, and I'm going to show you how to copy and paste ads that you see around the internet. You know, you ever got a YouTube ad, a Facebook ad, how you can just copy that and paste it in a very particular place and make up to $500 a day, okay? So here's my Stripe account here, and let me just log in. Gonna log into my account here, hit continue here. Just want to show you the money that I've been making so far. I have to validate basically here, okay? And let me show you, let me go down to the account here. And if you look here so far, and this is brand new by the way, this is I'm about a month in. And yesterday I made almost 1,000, today about $700. And if you look up here, it's July 31st. In the past month here, $42,000. July 1st. I just started this, by the way. This is a brand new company, brand new everything. A brand new stream of income, because I'm always creating videos like this on YouTube and Instagram to show you how it's done. But I always do it first. So as you can see here, it's working. So how about I show you how to do this? If you want me to do that right now, if you don't mind, guys, comment and let me know where you live around the planet. Tell me your city and state, your country, because I want to make sure that these type of videos where I do training, it applies to every state, every country on the planet, okay? All right, so, and you know what's so funny? This is very simple to do. When I first saw it, I thought it was going to be difficult. I thought that it was going to take a lot of time, but it really didn't. It's really just copy and paste, and it's a website out there that, you know, the average person just doesn't know about, and you can make a ton of money, okay? All right, you with me? Is everybody with me? Coming to work. Let's go! And if you don't mind, sub to my channel. You can like. If you want more videos like this, turn on your notifications, and I'm gonna show you how to easily make this money. $42,000 a month is not a lot of money, but it's okay, right? It's a good start. So this is what you do. First step, go to this site right here. Hold on. This is the site you need to go to, okay? The free ad form. As a matter of fact, this is free. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to invest any money with me. You don't have to pay me money, pay them money. It's free to do, right? It's very free. And I'm going to show you step by step in this video here. So please pay close attention to every word and everything that you see, okay? So first thing you have to do is sign up for a free account, right? That's pretty much it. Sign up for a free account. As you see, I'm already logged in here, and this site gets about 100,000 views a day, and people just don't know about it, you know, but it's free. You put your ad up here, and basically people come here every single day, and from doing that, I'm making like $700, $900. I swear to God, like, this is insane. It's working so well because people don't know about this. Maybe experienced marketers do, but newbies like you don't know, right? But guess what? Now you know, and it's free. So if I deserve a like right now, go ahead and hit the like button, because listen, the more you like and the more that you sub and comment below, the more I would do videos like this that I would usually charge money for. But this is free stuff. to help anybody that needs some money, and you could do it really. Listen, I'm not that smart, and it worked, okay? Because I just followed the plan. I listened to the step-by-step instructions, and I did it. So what you do is click here that says publish ad for free. Kind of easy, right? And right here, you choose the category. You're going to hit work from home, business opportunities. So let's do work from home. And what we're going to do is, you might say, well, Wesley, what are we going to promote? This is what we're going to promote, okay? You want to go to Digistore 24, okay? Get a free account at Digistore 24, okay? And once you get your free account, go to Marketplace. And I'm going to be honest, every country cannot register with Digistore 24, okay? So if your country is not there, you cannot use this site. But I will show you another site. Just sit here and wait till the very end of this video here, okay? Go to Marketplace. And this is one of the programs you can promote, which is my program. I'm #1 in the world. It's Overnight Millionaire, and we pay about $300,000 per month to affiliates, like brand new people who use these strategies that I'm giving you for free, basically. Or you can promote YouTube Mastery, herpes product here. You want to get rid of your herpes? Here's your product here, guys. Done for You service, which is another one of my products with Ariella. She's I mentored her. She's a millionaire now. And it's all because she just followed these very, very simple ways to make money now. Okay? So we're going to promote this product just for an example, because this is what I'm doing. This is how I'm making this type of money, just promoting this product right here. Okay? So you click the word promote now, and you'll see a link. Okay? Now you need to log in to get your link, right? So let's assume that you already have your link from Digistore. Okay? And we go back here, because what you want to do is you need to put in your title. Now you may say, well, Wesley, I don't know what title to put on the ad. Listen, how about I just give it to you right now for free? And I'm going to go to my Wesley $1 Billion Virgin swipe file. I've never shared this before until now. And by the way, if you hit the like button and stay to the very end, I will give you this swipe file that all you have to do is copy and paste. That's it. It's headlines that work. This is what I use on the internet. I've been using this for years. And it's the reason why I bought a Rolls Royce, because of the swipe file. So let me give an example. Say if you're using 30 minutes a day, it's worth $1,000 a month. Okay, you just copy that. See how easy it is? Copy and paste. Like, I'm very transparent. I don't want to bullshit you. I just want to tell you the truth. Look, copy and paste that. Boom, boom, boom. See that? Then the description. Oh, well, Wesley, what do I put here? I don't know. Well, let's go back to Wesley's swipe file. Scroll down here. Okay. Where it says add bodies, right? Just copy and paste. That's it. Look at that. See, these things, they work. Now, this is my personal swipe file that works. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on. Come on. All right. Copy that. Go back here. Here. And just paste it. See what I'm doing here? And I just kill all the spaces in here. Because what we're going to do is, once we publish it for free, by the way, the ad is going to run for 90 days for free on this network here. And you'll just see sales start to pile in, okay? And remember, if you want the swipe file, I'll leave it in the description below. And I appreciate a like. I mean, you don't have to hit the like button. You don't have to say, thank you, Wesley. I appreciate you. I love you. But I'm going to give it to you for free, okay? All right, so you got there, right? Or we can put business opportunities. You can put work from home, whatever. Doesn't matter. It all works. You put your country here, okay? I'm in the United States of America here, okay? I'm in Texas. Houston. Okay? The visitors for the website. So listen, now this is very important, so pay close attention to this. Where it says, please visit our website, you just put your affiliate link here. That's about it. Yeah, that's all. And listen, to make sure you don't get banned, what you want to do is create a redirect or go to bit.ly.com, okay, to create a redirect. I'm just going to type in www.overnightmillionaire.com. It's a program I created to help people basically become millionaires. And I know skeptical people out there, but skeptical people are broke. So if you're skeptic, yeah, you're probably broke. But it works. Okay, keywords here. In the swipe file, have keywords as well, but we'll put work from home. We just type that in there, okay? You can put your Facebook there. You can put your phone number there if you want to, okay? Your ad posted to thousands automatically. See? So free. YouTube video. So, question, do you got a YouTube video? Well, yeah, I do. So, guess what? If you got a YouTube channel, go to your YouTube account. And I appreciate you guys subbing because I'll do more videos for you. And these are free videos and people are making tons of money just using my free content. That's why people like me, because I give it to them raw and I give it to them hard. No cap. I'm sorry. No pun intended. I didn't mean to say that. But you know what I mean, right? And so I can find one of my videos here that's doing very well. You can do the same thing, or you can put my video like I do. Suggest my video too, because I've done all the work for you. My goal is for you to do no work. I'll be honest with you. I'll do some work later. Okay, copy that. And like I said, it doesn't have to be your YouTube. It can be my YouTube, because remember, you're promoting my program or somebody else's program. It doesn't matter. But you want to promote a system or an affiliate offer that works. We're just going to post the ad on this site for free, because it's free. It's free, right? Everybody wants something free. You can click, put an image in here. So you might want an image such as money, right? Because remember, the image is going to show up like an ad. So you click here to download the image, all right? So you may say, well, Wesley, I don't have any images. Easy. Listen, this is how the experts do it. This is how I do it. And I make $1 million a month right now. I mean, I'm not trying to impress you. I'm just being honest. You type in money. Oh, look, I like to do this. Pretty girls, pretty woman, money. Because people like pretty women and they like money. This really works. All right, it's like a pattern interrupt, right? So I go to images right here, okay? And I can get her, see? I can get her. Somebody pretty, right? Somebody's very attractive here, okay? But she got to have money. So what I do, I can take that image if I want to, or I can just keep scrolling here, okay? Look at that right here. She looks cute. She cute. Okay, girl. Kind of cute. Cute. What's your name? What's your number? What's your IG, girl? So look, what I do here, I just screen capture this. It's two ways. You can do it this way if you have a Mac, or you can just right click and you can just save image. See that? Save image. See right there? Save image. Save it to your computer. Young Latin pretty woman. Save. See how easy that was? How many of you right now love me because I'm just, you don't have to keep buying all these programs. It's cool to invest in programming systems if you need extra help. And I always give extra help in my bio below. But listen, or in the description below. But listen, you can really do this. It's not that hard to do, actually. Okay? So, you go here, put in the pretty girl right there. Bam, she pops up. She's sexy, right? So that means that's how the ad is going to look. That's going to be the copy here, work from home. 30 minutes a day is worth the thousands of dollars. The key is we just want to get people to click. I pretty much gave you all the swipe file, and I'm going to post the swipe file below, and you're going to just take it for yourself. And I appreciate the likes and shares, okay? I'm in Houston, Texas, H-Town, okay? And look here, like I promise you, it's free. You can just hit no thanks. Now listen, if you want to have it to be highlighted, it's $5. If you want it marked as premium, $5. But, maybe we don't have $5. I don't have $5 at all, right? So you do that, no thanks, and you just hit publish. And that's it. That is really that simple. So now your free ad promoting your offer is going to show up here for 90 days. Hello? for 90 days. How many of you can do this right now? Any questions? Listen, if I deserve a like, hit the like button. If you got value, this is easy to do. I don't know what else to do. I'm making almost 1,000 a day doing this. That's all I do. It's on this site. This is the site. Instead of getting you to pay me money or getting you to buy more of my programs, I'm giving you to free, because if I can get you making some money, then you can invest big money with me so I can teach you how to make crazy money, right? So you can buy Lamborghinis and Chanel purses and whatever, Cartier bracelets, watches. You know, I got all that crazy, stupid stuff, right? Okay, it's called the freeadforum.com. Any questions for me? And listen, you have to check to see if your country is listed. You know, you got to go through the list, see if your country is there. It's free to publish the ad. Many people, only the top internet marketers really know about this site. Many people don't. And you just publish your ad for free, okay? And listen, in the comment section below, ask me questions. You know, I'm always here. If you want me to do more videos, how many of you can do this right now? If I explain this, this is so easy, right? That many of you can do. Look, listen, I remember when I was on an air mattress and money like this, oh man, come on. Never. Sleeping on an air mattress, right? I had vision boards, I had journals, I used to read books, and none of that stuff was really working the way that I wanted to work. And I didn't realize that it was just small, simple things that I was missing that allowed me to create products like this. Let me show you something here. Look at this. I'm gonna log into an account. I'm gonna log into a live account, because what I do is I help people create products really fast. You know, it doesn't take a long, you know how some people it takes years to create a product? I can create any product and I can teach anybody right now. I even put the link in the description below. You can create a product and make money like this. Watch this. Let me show you. This is my account, digital store. Look at that. No cap, no bluff, no lies. Look at that. That's every day. $1,000, $1,000, $3,000, $3,000, $3,000, $2,000. It just comes in every day, right? They pay me out just on this one. I have 10 accounts like this. And if you want me to show you how to create a product, it's really easy. Just like I showed you how to use this network to post your affiliate link or your business opportunity. Listen, it's good for network marketers can do this. Any type of business program, anything, it really works. And it's powerful. It's just many people don't know about it, okay? Because the big guys, the internet marketers, the gurus, they'll never show you this. But Wesley, he loves you, and I will. But I'll leave a link below if you want to make money like this on a consistent basis. In the link in the description, I'll leave a link. It's just the #1 way to make money. Just click on that link. But remember to get the swipe file. If you want the swipe file, where's the swipe file, Wes? I don't know, Wes. Yeah, here's the swipe file. Who wants the swipe file? Hit the like button. If you want me to leave this in the description below, it's just headlines that you use, copy and paste. These have all been tested, vetted. I use these. These are my personal ones. This file easily I can sell for $1,000. It's free for you, okay? So, hey, I love you. If you want me to save this live, if you got any value, please hit the sub. Please give me a like. It's your contribution. I would keep doing these. I swear to God, like I would keep doing videos like this until you get your first $10,000 to $10,000 a month of free revenue, net income from your internet business. If you will like and sub to the channel, if you share this, I may do 2 videos a day. Cause listen, once you get about 2 to 3 companies, this is super easy to do. Hey guys, I love you so much. Again, my name is Wesley. $1 billion virgin. Sub, like, I love you. Let's go.